grilling tonight. It's freezing, 46 degrees Fahrenheit.
You gotta record
8.
Carla, baby, how cold she is. This isn't even cold.
She's
I don't even need a jacket.
Anyway, Mitchell's making us some grilled steak and sausage and veggies, and I've got the corn on the cob on the grill. I'm gonna have to use my video camera because this doesn't have night vision.
Where'd my knife go?
I don't know. Where'd your knife go?
The damn thing.
We need the knife. We only have like dozens of knives. Okay. Carla's all bundled up. Poor Carla. We're grilling. We just finished the steak. Now we're just doing the sausages and zucchini and going back into the camper to eat and then come back and do s'mores. It's freezing out here. It's going to be below freezing temperatures tonight. I think, is it going to be below freezing? Yeah, it's going to be in the 20s, huh? Brr, 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 brr. It's probably in the 30s now. Carla's inside. She's warming up. Whew. Whew. Sausages are done. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, Carla's gonna be happy. My corn's still there.
It takes a long time to cook, baby.
It does take a really long time. Wow, it was the first thing on and last thing off. Alright, let me see what we have here. My zucchini. Yum, yum, yum. Ooh, look how hot that fire
So
is.
how to really heat yourself. So if you had a fire like this, behind us, I would build a wall of logs or rocks. All the heat reflects off of that, and basically it's trying to cook you like a baked potato.
I remember Joe Robinette do that.
You've seen that before?
Yeah.
That's the technique. You literally get too warm. Yeah.
He would just camp
Awesome,
in the
wow.
snow with like just tarps.
Right here, just right here is red hot.
I know.
Right there.
I'm cooking right now. My legs are.
Feels my knees are red hot.
That is Carla.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah, it is
You feel-
nice.
She's so nice.
Yeah,
really
she's
nice.
all warm. Okay, she's good.
Yay!
We're good.
Now we can make s'mores. Now that's a hot fire. As Carla eats her s'mores.
It's my last bite. I'm so sorry.
Yummy.
Farewell s'more.
She came out in the freezing cold to have s'mores.
S'mores. Just came out to get some s'mores.
S'mores. Wow. That is red hot. Look at that. Oh, super hot. Super warm.
Are you still gonna make them?
No, I'm done, Carla.
You can go back in.
We're done.
We're
I'm gonna
done.
sit here by the fire.
Yeah,
little
me
bit.
too.
It's really nice.
Are you going back in, or are you going to sit out here for a little bit?
Sit out a bit.
Okay.
But I'm just gonna sit.
Oh, you don't have to. We'll do it. Just sit down and enjoy the fire, because you're going to get cold again.
I want to move because I just ate a ton of calories.
Oh, yeah. I'm going to have my grapefruit. And when I go in, you can have half.
We're gonna have a gym soon.
Hmm? Yum,
Carla
yum,
says she's
yum.
gonna have a gym soon.
She's going to... Oh, yeah. Tomorrow we'll go to the gym. Such a nice fire.
It's all trash.
It's like freezing
This is
temperatures out
awesome.
here. Okay, Carla, come sit down.
Oh, this is perfect.
I know.
Now I turned it into a heating fire, a sleep fire. See, the log is facing us. All those coals are gonna keep us nice and warm.
It's mesmerizing, right?
Mm-hmm. It's beautiful.